Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you what is picture in picture mode in Android. So before that I'll launch the app. So I am launching the app. So my app got launched. So I will click back button now. So you can see here the app goes into the background after clicking the back button. So I'll close this, launch the again. So you can see here I click back button, the app got closed. Now I will click on the home button. So home button I clicked. So you can see here the app got closed here now also. It goes to the background while clicking the home button. So now I will show you what is picture in picture mode. For that I will just add the code for that. So I already have code. I will just add it. So in Android manifest I will add the code. So this is the activity I am launching. So I will just add it here. So here I did support picture in picture true, and the configuration changes screen size is smallest screen size, screen layout and orientation. So these two line of code I have added here in the manifest file, and in the main activity I will write the picture in picture mode function. So this is that function. So I will copy this and I will paste it. So this is the function I have entered, like picture in picture mode. Now I want to call this function to enter into picture in picture mode. So I'll copy this and I will paste it. See, on back press directly write enter picture in picture mode on back pressed. So I have entered it and I will pass this the activity, and here also on home button pressed is like on user hint leave hint. So this is the override function which is getting called after that when we click home button. So here also I have entered picture in picture mode function, like to enter into picture in picture mode. So now I'll launch the app. So now you can see here I will launch it again. So now you can see here I have written the code to enter into picture in picture mode when we press back button and when we press home button. So I will maximize this. So now you can see here this is the back button. So I will click here. So you can see here this screen became small and app is not getting closed. So it has entered picture in picture mode. So I will maximize this. So this happens during like when you do watch videos. So some of the app you can scroll it, and when you do video call, so some of the screen you can make it small and scroll. So when you click home button also you can see here that app has entered into picture in picture mode. This is all about this video. Thank you for watching.